Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how you can fix unexpected client behavior in Roblox. So you might be experiencing this kind of error on your Roblox. So the method that we're going to do here to fix this one is first, go to the search box or search icon right here at the bottom, search for CMD or command prompt. Now we're going to type some command. First one, type ifconfig /flush DNS, then press enter. Next command, ipconfig, and then /release. Next one, again, ipconfig, and then /renew. Now, as you can see, once you've done, type exit. So you can now reload Roblox and see if it fixed the problem. But if not, let's go to the second method. It is by uninstalling and reinstalling Roblox. To do that, go to the start menu icon right here at the bottom, and then click on the settings. Now here, go to apps and select installed apps. And from here, you will find all your installed application. Now go to the search box and type Roblox. Finally, click on the three dots beside the Roblox app, click on uninstall. Once you uninstall this Roblox application, now let's reinstall it by going to browser and type roblox.com/download. Then press enter, then you'll be directly go to this page. And here, just click on download Windows app. And once you've done downloading the Roblox, open the app and see if it fixed the problem. Now finally, if the problem persists, the third method is by clearing the Roblox cache. To do that, go to the search icon right here and type run and open the run app. Here on run app, type percentage local app data percentage. Press enter. Then you'll be directly go to these folders. And what you're going to do, find the Roblox folder and then right click and then click on delete icon. And that it should be fixed the problem on your Roblox. That's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you on the next video.